Session 18 it covers hotspots of biodiversity, types of biodiversity. Hotspot of biodiversity, the most remarkable places areas in the earth, also most threatened ones. Many of them have reduced to less than 10% of the original vegetation. These places areas is called the hotspots of biodiversity. For the preservation, hotspots of many areas focus for biodiversity conservation. There are areas it's an extremely biodiversity, have high level endemism. Thus, threats of species extends about destruction. Recently, Norman Mayer and the team of the scientists have been brought up to updated list 25 hotspots biodiversity. Mayers and et al. In the 2000 identified the hotspots of biodiversities are Caribbean, California, Floristic Province, and Mesomeres, India, North and Central America, tropical Andes, Chocoderem, Western Ecuador, Atlantic Forest, Brazilian Cerrado, and Central Chile in South America, Cascos and Mediterranean Basin, Europe and Central Asia, Madagascar and Indian Ocean, Island, Eastern Arc, mountain and coastal forest, and West Africa and floristic regions and succulent Karo in Africa, mountain of the southeast China, Indo-Burma and Western Ghats in India, in the mainland and Asia, Philippines, Sunderland, Alaska, Southwest Australia, New Zealand, New Caledonia and Polynesia and Micronesia in Asia Pacific region. The two hotspot virus extended into the India. Two hotspots that extend into the India are the Indo-Burma and Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. The Indo-Burma hotspots covers about 2 million square kilometers of tropical Asia, India and subcontinent. The hotspots includes the Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Asia and India's subcontinent enters in the Thailand, Myanmar and Bhutan as well as the part of the Nepal. For eastern India, extreme southern China, in addition to the covers several offshores of the islands, including Mainan Island, South China Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the Indian Ocean. Today, the estimated about lakh square kilometers of 5% of the original extent, the habitat in the persistence of the condition. The entire hotspots was originally covered with the broadleaf forest, but today only the fragments of remain. In these fragments, wide varieties of ecosystem is represented, including the deciduous, wet evergreen, dry evergreen, and mountain forest. Also, there are patches of the shrublands, woodlands, and scattered heath forest. The hotspots has the world highest diversity of the freshwater turtle species. Moreover, the hotspots revealing the biological treasure. The example, three large mammals species have been discovered in recent years. In the Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, the hotspot encompasses mountain forest, southwestern parts of the India. The neighboring island, the Sri Lanka, although two forest blocks the separate each other 400 kilometers of land and land water head to the similar enough they that can group into the single hotspot. Through entire extent of these hotspots are originally about 1,82,500 square kilometer, but due to tremendous population pressure, now nearly 12,445 square kilometers. It is a 6.8% present. The Western Ghat mountains stretch from the India's southern tip, the Gujarat, north and run parallel. The country western coast they cover on areas about 1,60,000 square kilometers. Western slopes of the mountains receives heavy annual rainfall, whereas eastern slopes drier. The wet and tropic southwestern zones of Sri Lanka remarkably similar to the Western Ghats. Because of this repeated appearance of the disappearance of the land bridge between them over many thousands of years. The predominant vegetation of the entire hotspots include deciduous and tropical rainforest, mountain forest, grassland, as well as the scrub forest, lower drier areas. The hotspot is the home diverse endemic assemblage of the plants, reptiles, and amphibians. The important population Asian elephant and Indian tiger and endangered lion-tailed macaque.